Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video on the Test Alarm System Electric YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be replacing one of those flashing lights or beacons, or Solexes if you even know the model name, that sits outside of this house to indicate where the entrance is or where the fire alarm panel is. It's used for the fire brigade just to let them know where the panel is or where the entrance for the building is. And my beacon outside is one of those old Solexes, Solex 10 I believe the model is. And it's very sun-shaded, and the sign also very sun-shaded, so we have to replace both the sign and the beacon, because I have suspicions that the beacon is getting quite faulty and not really working anymore. Here we have the beacon. It's a Nittan, as you might know it in UK, or as we call it in Sweden, Fulleon Beacon. Let me just open up and show you. I have to use two hands, but here we have the inside. It's a rebrand from this brand. Original brand is Nittan, so quite used in UK, I believe, so yeah, you might know it, but yeah, but this is going to be the new device outside, so let's get into replacing. And for this video, we're going to try something new. We're going to try a POV video, so I have something on my chest where I can mount my camera on, so you can see a bit more from my perspective how it looks, and so I don't have to hold my camera, because that's quite annoying. And here we have the beacon. It's an old Solex 10 with a very sun-shaded side, as you can see. Now, I have my suspicions that this one isn't working too well anymore. Anyway, need to have it there, because would there be a fire alarm going off and the fire brigade comes, they need to know where they can enter the building or where the panel is. Now, the panel's upstairs, so that's not very good. It should be right next to the door, but whatever. You know, I can't really put the panel here. I mean, it would stick out very much if I put a panel right here and you would walk into it every time you enter the house, so that's not very convenient. But whatever, there needs to be a flash here anyways, because they need to know where they can enter the building easily. So yeah, we need to replace that because it isn't working too well anymore. Alright, maybe isn't the best placement for a ladder, but it works. Here's the old Solex, as you can see. It's not the newest one. Yeah, surprisingly it still works quite well, but now we have to replace it. It's getting too old. Alright, here we have the old one down. As you can see, it's a bit sun shaded, but yeah, it's not really too big of a problem. Still worked, so but yeah, it's time for upgrade, so let's put this new one up. Get this aligned. Yeah, that should be quite aligned. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's nice having it perfect, you know. Oh yeah, it's really starting to rain now. I kind of have to hurry. Let's put up the new sign as well. Alright, I tried putting it on here as evenly as possible, so I hope this sticks well. And we'll find out if it doesn't. Let's see if we can put this up here. That doesn't look too horrible. And for those of you that don't speak Swedish, alarm means fire alarm. Or yeah, it speaks for itself actually, but free Swedish lesson, I guess. And that's pretty straight. Now let's connect the wires. See if I remember how you wire one of those. I believe it was like this. Alright, the wires are in. Let's put up the device. I have it in my pocket right here. Let's see if I can fish it out of here. There we have it. Oh shit. Here we have the device. As you can see, again. Let's put it up there. Let's see if I can just figure out. Just like that. Well, it's installed now. I just have to cover up these holes up here. As you can see, there's an open hole. You know, stuff can get in there, and I don't think that's too good. Yeah, it looks good. And I can tell you, those beacons, those LED beacons, they are like a million times brighter than those old xenon lights or whatever it's called. Alright, the panel still seems happy, so I think I didn't mess it up too bad. Now I'll just disable the sounders, the adjustable sounders here real quick, so we don't make too much noise here. And we disable it like this. Now only the conventional sounders will sound, and because that flashing beacon is put on the conventional zone, it should only activate. Alright, let's test it. Oh yeah, and it works perfectly. I mean, you can see how bright it is. It's literally lighting up this right here, and it's day outside. Now let's just patch up the hole real quick with some gunk I found. Just put up there. It's actually crazy how bright it is. I mean, I'm getting temporarily blinded when I look into it. Alright, let's just patch the hole up. Just put some of this stuff in there. Like that. Should prevent most of the rainwater and stuff coming in here. I mean, it's never going to be fully watertight, but you can always try to keep it a bit watertight at least. There we go. Alright, well, it works, so let's just silence the panel, reset everything, and just put the ladder back, and then we're done. And let's just re-enable all the sounders, like that. Alright, let's just put the ladder back, and then we're done. Alright, well, that's about it for this video. If you like what you saw, this is what I upload on my YouTube channel. Please leave a like down below as well, and thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing.